This incredibly delicious single-serving quiche is made with 2 eggs, a little bit of cream, crispy bacon, and cheese. It's baked in a small baking dish. It's just a high-protein meal that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So a quiche is basically a custard made with milk or cream and eggs. For this mini crustless quiche Lorraine, I use 2 large eggs and 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. This is the amount of eggs and cream I use in each and every one of my crustless quiche recipes. From there, I add different combinations and ingredients I enjoy eating. So let's get started. We're going to use 2 eggs. Crack them into our mixing bowl. And we'll use 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. And we will use 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. And we whisk these together. And then we'll stir in a slice of cooked and crumbled bacon and 1/2 cup of shredded Gruyere or Swiss cheese. You really could use any kind of cheese, but to keep it traditional, I use Gruyere or Swiss. And mix these together. And then we're going to pour the ingredients into a lightly buttered baking dish. And this one is about 5 inches. And that is it. Isn't that easy? So we're going to bake this in a preheated 375-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Isn't this beautiful? I love how it's so puffy when you first take it out of the oven. So if you have leftovers in your fridge, a quiche is a wonderful dish to make to use them up. Add your favorite cheese and protein or vegetables and you can create a fabulous meal. So let's dig in and see what this looks like. Looks delicious. A quiche is really a wonderfully adaptable dish. Just remember to keep the ratio of eggs to milk or cream, and you can customize a quiche to make it your own by adding in leftovers or other cheeses and meats. That's it. Super simple, but so delicious. You can find the full recipe in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow, like, and subscribe, and check out the rest of our videos. Also check out onedishkitchen.com to find hundreds of single-serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.